Hey guys, this is going to be a quick walk around video of the mint green color Ather 450x. The side and the front profile of the Ather looks very sharp when compared to the other scooters available in the market right now. All the lights in this scooter are LED units, including headlamps, tail lamps and indicators. This is the rear tire and the disc section, and you can also see the shock there. This is the rear end with its LED tail lamp and the grab rails. To access the charging slot, you just have to lift this flap and you can charge your bike. And to open the boot, just turn the key to its left. The boot size is huge guys. It can easily accommodate your helmet and the bike's portable charger. The mirrors on the bike are a little flimsy, but the design language and the sharp ends of it complements the bike a lot. That's it for this one guys. Until next time, stay tuned.